Hello, we are Group 3. This is our presentations for MCP1. And there are our group members Xiangling Hu, Zihao Li, Zongshi Zhang, Sachi Dharma. The first recommendation we are going to introduce is secure telecommunications should enhance employees' working conditions and providing them comprehensive training programs to increasing productivity and efficiency. Employees can perform their works more efficiently and effectively, as well as to leading higher customer satisfaction, enhancing the company's reputation and image. The recommendation has two main components: the training programs to enhance employee skills, consistency, career growth, and adaptability, thereby improving overall performance and satisfaction. The training programs that is include both technical and professional training for different positions, and a training program should be designed by professionals to ensure that it covers the skills and knowledge required for effective performance in the telecommunication industry. The improving working condition is to create a safe, supportive, and efficient work environment that enhance job satisfaction and reduce turnover. Improving work condition includes ensuring reasonable working hours, provide adequate breaks, and creating a supportive work environment. The step need to be carried out is the company have to conduct surveys to understand employees' training needs and the area for improvements in working conditions. Design training programs and initiatives to improve working conditions based on assessment results. Allocate necessary resources, which is budget, logo, and time. Clear communicate the plan and the benefits of the programs to employees, executions program, and make necessary adjustments based on feedback and ongoing evaluation. Monitoring and evaluation is continuously monitors the effectiveness of the programs, make improvements as needed based on performance and employees.
Thank you, Lin. Next, I will talk about topic who. And this have 5 steps. The first is HR director. Develop a comprehensive plan and timeline project manager. Coordinate planning activities and ensure timelines are met. Training and development manager. Design training modules and oversee rollout across locations. Operations manager. Implement working condition improvements across location. Leadership team. Provide strategical oversight and ensure alignment with organization goals. And this topic is when and where. In the first step, the head of office need to develop a comprehensive plan and timeline for implementing and improvement, design and create new training modules, including technical, soft skills, and leadership training, prepare training materials and resources, ensure all employees participate in the new training programs. Facilities cost is expenses for enhancing physical working conditions, such as safety employment and workplace. Ongoing training cost is continued cost for updating and developing training programs regularly and to keep up with the industry standards and changes. Some managers may be hesitant to adopt new training method or implement especially if they believe creating system are adequate.
Hi, tutor. Thank you for listening my group member to talk about the recommendation to enhancing the customer support system. So I mean to talk about when and where. The customer support system includes some new software and a new robot feedback and a new system. So we plan to roll out this project gradually over the next 6 months at our Indonesia call center and Australia call centers. This phased approach will enable us to address any issues promptly and ensure smooth transitions and not conflicted. You know that. Let's move to next page. We talk about cost. Cost is a very significant thing in our recommendations. So the cost maybe include some upgrade a new software and make a new system and some training to our staff fee. This is a fantasy maybe it's a very big cost, and we maybe to buy some new technical machines. This is other things. When we to do these steps, we maybe to meet some potential problems. Some problems is technical challenges and integration issues and more money fantasies. So we anticipate some technical challenges during the implementation phase, such as integrating a new system with our existing infrastructures. Additionally, there may be initial disruptions in service as our staff need more time to adapt. So we give them staff to more time to adapt a new system. So we give them some training. So this is a very good way to adapt. So in summary, we aim to increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening our group talk.
Hi, my name is Chetan Dharma, and today we'll be talking about our second recommendation, which is to equalize the pay and benefits of Indonesian and Australian workers currently living in Celtel, Indonesia. First of all, let's get on to the what. This addresses the pay disparity between Indonesian and Australian workers negating the perceived unfairness among employees. This is very important, as this is the root of the entire problem, and addressing this as soon as possible would help Celtel work more efficiently in the near future. So the steps that are needed to be carried out, which would be to create a comprehensive pay audit, benchmarking, and devising the new pay structure. Review current structures and benefits to understand discrepancies and understand the framework. By doing so, we would be able to understand why is an employee being paid less. Maybe it's an education factor, maybe it's the value they bring to the company, or maybe it's the hours they're putting in. Benchmarking and against industry standards. We need to compare between both countries, Indonesia and Australia, and their compensation package with industry standards to ensure competitiveness and fairness in compensation. Devise and implement the new pay structure. This is basically just creating the unified pay scale between both employees to ensure that they have the fair pay and benefits for their roles. HR department, compensation firms, like maybe external finance firms, or maybe we have some internal audit team that is specialized in finance, industry experts, finance department, managers, and senior managers. When? This should be done as soon as possible. I assume, and honestly, this is already a good enough time frame, which is 2 months. The first month, the pay audit must be completed, and then afterwards, we need to develop and implement the new pay structure and then roll them out to the employees. The cost. Obviously, with higher pay, there's going to be increased payroll, consultation, and administrative costs to update the current payment, and consulting with external firms to ensure everything is fair, and legal fees, because everything has to do with law, especially when dealing with employees' payment. The indirect costs would be potential back pay, additional hours by internal HR while they're working on this project, increased workload for managers while they're also working for this project, potential fines and penalties if there is, in fact, some discrepancies and favoritism being shown, and also time constraints, because this all takes time, and I've mentioned before, it's going to take about 2 months. Potential problems. Even if we already implement the new pay structure that we assume is fair, employees might still think it's unfair, therefore have employee resistance. There's also going to be budget constraints, operational disturbance, legal challenges, and fairness perception. Thank you all for listening and have a good day.